How to add LiteCoin on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add LiteCoin on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up your Trust Wallet app, now look at the top right corner of screen. Click on this icon. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for LiteCoin. To add LiteCoin on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option. Now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage, scroll down. Now click on LiteCoin. Once you click on it, hit the receive button. To add LiteCoin on your Trust Wallet app, use this QR code or wallet address. With the help of this wallet address, you'll be able to add LiteCoin through different crypto wallets. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add LiteCoin on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.